What's curb appeal and why is it important when you're selling your home? That's the focus of this week's episode of Selling with Shannon. I'm Shannon with the Shannon Jones Team at Keller Realty in Long Beach, California. So curb appeal, simply put, is the aesthetic appeal or visual appeal that your home has when a buyer first looks at it. Now, it's called curb appeal because traditionally this is the view they would get from the curb looking at the home. But 90% of home buyers actually start their search online. So what's really important is, how does your home show up in that primary photo of the exterior? And the reason it's important is because if buyers don't like what they see in that first photo, they're unlikely to swipe to see additional photos, and they're unlikely to go to an open house or schedule a time to view the property with their agent. So you definitely want to take a look at how your home appears. Take a look at the house numbers, at the paint, at the landscaping. If you've got lawn, is it green? If you've got drought tolerant landscaping, you want to make sure that it's free of weeds. Put down some fresh mulch. And just look around and see if there's anything that might signal that there's deferred maintenance, and take care of that before photos are taken and before buyers show up. The more interest you have in the home, the higher it's likely that the price will be. If you have any questions about how you can improve your curb appeal or questions about the selling process, let me know. I'm Shannon again, and if you found this information helpful, be sure to check out the other videos in our Selling with Shannon series, and consider either following us on social media or subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching.